Welcome to Wendy's Kitchen Wonders.
I'm excited to share with you a delicious and healthy recipe that's perfect for lunch or dinner: skinny chicken and broccoli Alfredo. This dish is packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, and it's so easy to make that you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Before I get started, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any delicious recipes. To get started, we're going to need the following ingredients: 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into chunks about 2 cups, 2 cups roasted broccoli florets, 8 ounces fettuccine noodles, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons minced garlic, 2 tablespoons flour or whole wheat flour, 1 cup fat-free, low-sodium chicken broth, a 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup skim milk, a 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1 pinch ground nutmeg, 3/4 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now that we have everything ready, let's get into the recipe. Step 1. In a pot of boiling, salted water, cook the pasta according to package directions. Drain and set aside. While the noodles are cooking, heat up your olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add in the minced garlic and cook for about a minute until fragrant. Then, add in the chicken breasts and cook until they're golden brown on all sides, about 8 to 10 minutes per side. Once done, remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside. Step 2. In the same skillet, add in the roasted broccoli florets and cook for about 2 minutes until tender. Then, pour in the chicken broth and bring the mixture to a simmer. Add in the flour and whisk until well to combine. Let the sauce cook for about 2 minutes. Step 3. Add the cooked fettuccine to the skillet and stir to combine with the sauce. Pour in the Greek yogurt and milk and mix well to combine. Season the sauce with salt, pepper, and nutmeg to taste. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce has thickened. Step 4. Add the cooked chicken back to the skillet and stir to combine. Let the dish cook for another minute, allowing the flavors to meld together. Finally, sprinkle in the Parmesan cheese and serve immediately. And there you have it: skinny chicken and broccoli Alfredo. Serve this dish with a side salad or some crusty bread for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy!